All right, good. So we've gone through an adjustment as well as an assessment, and we've done some soft tissue mobility with Chris's hips. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lock it in now that he's got some good range of motion going on with some very gentle corrective exercise. So Chris, I'll just have you over here. And what we're going to do first is something called a Kang squat. So this is going to involve some of that loading of the hamstring in a full stretch position, as well as some of that external rotation of your hips getting into a squat. So real simple, feet shoulder width apart. Try to keep your toes forward if you can. What you're going to do is you're going to load some, you're going to extend your hips like this. Okay, and when you can't go any further, what you're going to do is you're going to come down into a squat, and then you'll go exactly reverse of that. Okay, up like that. Perfect. So you'll go ahead and let's do about 8 reps of that. Right. Okay, great. And come on up. Perfect. So we say he's sticking his hips back, extending, keeping that lumbar position nice and neutral. Okay, nice flat back, loading the hamstrings, coming down, loading the external rotators of the hips into the squat. Last one here. Okay, awesome. All right, something else we're going to do, let's load you up into a goblet squat, Chris. So what you're going to do is you're going to, once again, get into that squatting position, hip, feet shoulder width apart. You're going to keep the bell nice and close to your body like this. What you're going to do is nice and slow, so initiate with your hips back, of course, getting into a full squat position. Hold for a count of 2, okay, and then just kind of explode upwards. Get right into full extension. So we're going real light, just 15 pounds here with Chris. Okay, try to keep your, yep, exactly, nice and slow. Load that up. Good, and come on up. Perfect. Let's do 2 or 3 of those. Okay, real nice. And then last one. So you can see Chris's left foot really wants to externally rotate there. Okay, good. And now the last one is, let's do some, so Chris is a pretty advanced athlete, and he's going to be able to do these no problem. This is a pretty advanced movement. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab a real light kettlebell, okay? Feet hip width distance apart, and what you're going to do, opposite arm to opposite leg, you're going to do a single leg deadlift, okay? In opposition, right? So you're leaning forward, sticking that right leg back, loading up that left hamstring into full extension like that, and coming up, and of course, then what we're going to do is we're going to repeat on the other side. Just like that, okay? Try and keep your spine neutral. Don't reach your head back. Just try to keep that spine nice and neutral there. There it is. Perfect. And of course, we're going to go bilaterally. I know we're trying to treat the left hamstring, so I know you started with that one, but we'll do both sides. There you go. Yeah. That's good. And I would have Chris do 8 to 10 reps of these. That's good. Challenges the balance, right?
Oh yeah.
It's good. So I'd run Chris through about 2 or 3 sets of that. Easy reps. And then today, Chris, basically what I'd have you do is just walk around as much as you can. I know you got some driving ahead of you. So, get out, take some breaks. If you need some pain relief, you can try to use a little bit of ice on there. It's usually my go-to for an acute injury pain relief. It's not going to help you heal faster, right? But always better than popping 15 Advil. Absolutely. Right? If it can help keep that calm down. So, all right, get after that every day, and come back, get you checked out next week.
Thanks, Ryan.
All right, you're welcome.